Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Parkside Performance PPKOD 5010A1 twin cylinder air compressor. A little bit cheeky they are. It says lots of numbers like 106% that, 25% this, 108% whatever, compared to the Parkside PKO 248A1 compressor, which is all beautiful. But that one is a standard model, this one is a performance model. That one is only 24 liters, this one is 50. That one is only 8 bars, this one is 10. So it's all very nice that it can do so much better than the considerably lower spec machine. But all in all, at the end of the day, they could also put some sort of comparison to a balloon. How much more air you can fit in this one than in a balloon, and how much more the pressure is higher in this one than in a balloon that you blew or inflated. So anyhow, I don't want to whine, but it's not very fair from them. Let's roll.
Don't wanna grow another day, run around and always play. You're Jack Sparrow and I'm a dinosaur. Don't wanna grow another day. Now I miss you and I want you to be there again. Don't wanna grow another day. We can say forever young, fall in love with the rest unsung. Please hold my hand and ask me out to prom, and we can stay forever young. Now I miss you and I want you
right, boys and girls, that was the compressor from Parkside. I have to say I'm very happy with it. Even though it costs like twice as much as my own compressor, because this one is not mine. But anyway, long story short, it is so much more quieter than mine. This one has 2 cylinders, mine one has only 1 cylinder, and that one is considerably louder. This one goes up to like 10 bars, and then whatever I attach to it and I started to use it, slowly it went down all the way to like around 6 bars, and then it was trying to keep the pressure on that level. My one goes down to not much of bars in no time, and it cannot keep. So I need to stop frequently, and I need to wait until the pressure builds up again. With this one, I had no such issue. Other than that, yeah, it was easy to assemble, and it has nice long warranty. So yeah, as I said, obviously in comparison, it costs more than twice as much as my other one, or well, this one is not mine, but doesn't matter. So then my one, and it's also considerably better for the first sight. But what I really like, that it was not as loud as the cheaper version. So it's a good stuff. I can hands-on hard recommend all in all. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.